Sometimes you look at your garden and know something's wrong. The soil feels hard, pale and lifeless. Plants struggle, weeds thrive, and the earth lacks the rich, dark crumble of healthy soil. There's no sign of earthworms or fungi. The soil's structure and vitality are gone. This happens when organic matter is lost, often from overdigging, compaction, or chemical overuse. The result, a patch of ground that resists all your efforts, a bed that's fallen into a deep sleep. Recognizing these signs is the first step to recovery. Get close, feel the texture, notice the color, and smell it. Healthy soil smells earthy. Dead soil smells like dust. The problem isn't your plants, it's the foundation they grow in. Addressing the soil itself is the key to bringing your garden back to life. Our instinct is to dig lifeless soil, but this can do more harm than good. Soil is a living ecosystem. Digging destroys worm tunnels and fungal networks, shattering its structure. It exposes organic matter to air, burning through your soil's best resource. Chemical fertilizers offer only a quick fix, bypassing the natural system and weakening soil life. Over time, digging and artificial feeding create a cycle of decline and dependency. The soil becomes high maintenance, losing resilience. The real solution? A gentler, patient approach that works with nature. Instead of digging, try the cardboard mint stack, a no-dig, layered method that revives soil naturally. Lay down cardboard to block weeds and feed earthworms as it breaks down. Add a layer of mint or any green, nitrogen-rich material to jumpstart decomposition. This feeds microorganisms and accelerates soil recovery. The method conserves moisture, recycles garden waste, and protects soil structure. You're not forcing change, you're inviting life back in. The process is simple, effective, and requires little effort. Let worms, fungi, and bacteria do the work for you. Building your cardboard mint stack is easy. Choose your tired patch. No need to dig or remove weeds, just flatten them. Lay plain cardboard over the area, overlapping edges to block light. Soak the cardboard thoroughly. Add a thick layer of mint cuttings. Add a thick layer of comfrey. Add a thick layer of grass clippings for nitrogen. Next, spread 4 to 6 inches of compost or leaf mould on top. This is the heart of your new bed, full of beneficial microbes. Finish with a 2-inch mulch layer, wood chips. Finish with a 2-inch mulch layer, straw. Finish with a 2-inch mulch layer, leaf mould. Water gently to settle everything in. That's it, your soil reviving engine is ready. Now, let nature take over. In days, the green layer heats up and worms move in, mixing new and old soil. There are no bad smells, just healthy aerobic decomposition. You can plant larger plants almost immediately by pulling back the mulch and planting in the compost. For seeds or small seedlings, wait a few weeks for the layers to settle. Make this a yearly habit. Add new layers each autumn to build fertility. Over time, you'll have deep, rich, self-sustaining soil. Let nature do the heavy lifting. Even the most tired soil can be brought back to life with patience and the right approach.